show you how to make some lemonade.
Ooh, how do we make lemonade, Natalie?
So we're gonna put this little package in the there.
Yay! Do you need help opening it?
We're gonna pour it.
Do you need help opening it?
No, it's already open.
Oh, perfect.
So we're gonna open this up. Got it.
Perfect. Okay, now pour it in the 8 cups of water.
8 cups of water. Now, am I gonna pour all of it in?
Yep, you can pour all of it in there. Ooh. Great. Okay, now stir it up.
Yeah. That's the most important thing.
Important part, yep.
Ah!
Oh, that's okay.
Sometimes it splashes, but it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
And you have to hold the handle and you have to do it.
Good idea.
Oh, that one. Oh, it's turning some. Sometimes it looks a little bit big.
I think that might be good. You want to put some lemons in it?
This lemon?
Yep.
Ooh.
Great.
2 lemons.
Now what about the mint?
Where's the mint? Is this mint? Here's the mint.
Do you smell it? What's it smell like? Yummy?
It smells like
Mint.
So we're gonna pour it in.
Yep, good job. Good. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we'll put some ice in our cups. What color is the lemonade? Yep.
Green.
Greenish yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take this out. Okay, you want to hold your cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is how you make some lemonade.
Ooh. Okay. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Good. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks. Give a big thumbs up.